Every bar of soap begins far from the factory floor. Raw oils are sourced from nature's richest reserves.
Every shipment is secured for safe transit.
Harvested materials are gathered for their first journey. From field to factory, the process begins in motion. Volume increases as scale shifts toward industry. Where raw harvest meets industrial precision. The journey now leads to transformation. Collection hubs connect farms to industrial systems.
Each mile brings it closer to transformation.
Entry marks the beginning of industrial precision.
Every load is verified before processing begins. Precision starts with exact measurement. Inside, every movement follows a designed flow. The raw journey ends where processing begins. Here, raw input meets engineered systems. Flow begins into the factory's core.
The raw material is unveiled for processing.
Gravity begins the first transformation. Inside, the scale of industry takes over. Human precision activates mechanical power. Controlled movement replaces manual handling. The system awakens in perfect coordination.
The next stage prepares materials for refinement.
Cleaning begins with force and motion. Clean material advances to inspection. The core breakdown of raw material begins. Valuable oils are released from natural structure. Pressure extracts purity from raw material.
Refinement begins with filtration. The foundation of soap chemistry is prepared.
The material now takes its new identity.
True transformation happens inside controlled reaction.
Refinement shapes quality and consistency.
Cooling locks in form and durability. Precision cutting defines final structure. Standardization ensures perfect uniformity. Surface perfection enhances product quality.
The product is now ready for presentation.
Autumn brings perfect coordination to production flow. Machines ensure absolute precision in placement. Every unit is digitally inspected in real time. Artificial intelligence guarantees consistent quality. Flaws are removed without interrupting flow. Sorting creates structured distribution. Speed and precision merge in automation. Preparation begins for final assembly. The final transformation into finished product begins. Protection begins with flawless sealing.
Identity is applied with industrial precision.
Heat locks perfection into form.
Every unit is digitally verified.
Light reveals every detail of perfection. Only flawless products continue forward. Traceability is embedded in every product.
Order defines readiness for distribution.
Human oversight confirms machine precision.
Performance is measured through foam quality.
Before release, every product is scientifically tested.
Strength defines product durability.
Performance is measured through foam quality.
Balance ensures safe and effective use.
Purity is confirmed at microscopic level.
Sensory quality is carefully verified.
Every test confirms production excellence.
Only certified products reach the world.
Final products are grouped into shipment-ready units. Automation ensures perfect stacking efficiency. Protection prepares goods for long-distance delivery. Distribution begins as logistics take control. Finished products enter structured storage systems. Products are prepared for global delivery. Every unit is tracked in real-time inventory systems. Finished goods begin their journey to the world.